Okay guys, welcome back, and we're going to nail this question, right, about these quadratic equations using the method of completing the square, right? Okay, so first question is we have to express this what do you call it, expression x squared minus 6x minus 8 in the form of completed division form, yeah, x minus a bracket squared plus b, and then of course we are supposed to solve the equation, right? X squared minus 6x equal to 8, and after that we're going to sketch the graph, right? Y equal to x squared minus 6x minus 8, right? We cannot sketch the graph unless this graph is in the form of the completed division form, yeah, right? Okay, let's get going. Okay, we have this x squared, all right, minus 6x minus 8, all right, and we're going to do in the completed division form. All right, equal to something, but before that I want you to compare that with the one that we already know, which is your a squared minus 2ab plus b squared, right, equal to your a minus b bracket square, right? So you can see here that the a and the x square, a squared and x squared are the same, right? They are equal, right? That means my negative 2ab is equal to negative 6x, right? And of course your a and x is equal. Negative and negative, you can ignore them. It means my 2b equal to 6, right? Therefore my b equal to 6 divided by 2, which is equal to 3. That means my b here is equal to 3, and of course my x is equal to my a, right? Okay, so we're going to, once we know that it's going to be x squared minus 6x, right, plus b squared, right? Since this is the one that you add in, you must remove it, so minus b squared also. Then of course don't forget your negative 8, right? Okay, so you put a b, which is equal to 3 inside the bracket here, right? So equal to, the red one ignore, yeah, the red one is just for your reference, yeah. So equal to your this thing, this 3 here, right? It's just, this expression is exactly the same as your a squared plus 2ab plus b squared, right? So what you have is a is your x, your b is 3, so minus 3 bracket squared, right? And then these two will be what? Negative 9, right? Negative 8, right? So equal to x minus 3 bracket squared minus 17, right? That's it. That's your expression, right? It means your x squared minus 6x minus 8 is equal to x minus 3 bracket squared minus 17. Alright, cool, right? Now the next part is we are required to solve the equation, right? Okay, the next part, this is 1b. Now 1b, they want you to solve, right? X squared minus 6x equal to 8. They purposely put equal to 8. Obviously we have to move back to the left, so that means x squared minus 6x minus 8 equal to 0, because you push the 8 over to the left, equal to 0, and therefore we know that this expression is equal to your this thing, right? So x minus 3 bracket squared minus 17 equal to 0. Therefore my x minus 3 equal to negative 17, bring over become positive 17, the square bring over become square root, don't forget to put plus minus, right? Therefore my x equal to, the 3 bring over become positive 3, right, plus root 7, square root of 17, or x equal to positive 3 minus root 17, right? Therefore you just have to press your calculator, you'll get 3 significant figure, please. That will be 7.12, and this x equal to negative 1.12. That's it. Simple, right? Very simple. Now 1c, you're required to sketch the graph of x squared, y equal to x squared minus 6x minus 8. Alright, let's do that. Okay, let's change color. 1c, right? You are required to sketch, right? Y equal to what do you call it, x square minus 6x minus 8. Obviously you cannot sketch using this form, using the quadratic form, but if you use the completed version form, which is your what do you call it, x minus 3 bracket squared minus 17, obviously you can do that, right? Yeah. Okay, so what can we do? Well, we know that, okay, let's draw nicely. Yeah, we'll draw a straight line there. Sorry about that. Okay, we have a good straight line there. Is it straight? Yep. Okay, and we know that this thing is the coefficient of x squared is a positive, so it's going to be a minimum curve, right? Minimum curve. Okay, let's get a nice curve for you. Alright, that's good, and we have that. Okay, now therefore there will be 4 points that you must record, right? Okay, the 4 points. Okay, and this is your x, this is your 0 point of origin, and this is your y axis, and this is your y equal to x minus 3 bracket squared minus 17. You can also say that this equation, this graph is y equal to x squared minus 6x minus 8. No big deal, they are the same. Yeah. Now therefore at the x-axis, y equal to 0, right? At the x-axis, right, y equal to 0. So when y equal to 0, x equal to, we already found, right, these two numbers there, the solutions, right, the roots of the equation they call it. Yeah. Alright, that means this is x equal to negative 1.12 and 7.12. Okay, so this is your negative 1.12 and this is your positive 7.12, right? Okay, so and then the next point that you must indicate is your y-intercept, right? For y-intercept, that means when x equal to 0, right? When x equal to 0, so y again equal to, you put back to x minus 3 bracket squared minus 17 there. So x equal to 0, put back inside here, so negative 3 bracket squared negative 17. Negative 3 bracket squared is your 9. 9 minus 17 is minus 8, negative 8, right? So that means this coordinate is negative 8, right? 0, negative 8, right? Okay, so you just put in negative 8, and of course we need the minimum point, right? For minimum point, that's the best part, right? For minimum point, this is your minimum point, right? Find the coordinates. How to find the coordinates? Okay, so for minimum point, right? For a minimum point, okay, make sure for minimum point, whatever inside this bracket here, x minus 3 bracket squared must be equal to 0, right? So x minus 3 bracket square, if you want, yeah, even if you don't put the square, no big deal, yeah, must be equal to 0. That means my x equal to 3, right? Therefore when x equal to 3, right, my y will be equal to, well, whatever inside here is 0, isn't it? Square, if you want to, right? So obviously equal to negative 17. Ta-da! Okay, done deal, babe. Alright, so this is a negative 17 here. Alright, simple, isn't it? Okay, so your graph, if you want to draw nicely, if you want to sketch it nicely, okay, let's try to sketch nicely, make it nice for your teacher to see. Okay, be proud of you. Okay, alright, so let's make it a nice one. Okay, so we have a much lower one if we can, right? Okay, make it lower, much lower. Okay, good. So we have that, and we extend a bit more. For this is your x, this is your y-axis, and then this is your 0, this is your negative 1.12, isn't it? And this is your negative positive 7.12. This is your negative 8, and this one is your negative 17, correct? Negative 17, and obviously that is your positive 3. Right? Done deal. Right? Just now I didn't write positive 3 here. Yeah? Put positive 3. Okay. Right? Simple. Done deal. Final answer. Okay? So it's not that bad, isn't it? Completing the square, yeah, is easy. Yeah? I really hope that you can try again by yourself and see. If you can't, then watch again and again and again. Right? You'll get used to it. Alright? I will give you more examples. Don't worry. Till see you again then. Thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day.